for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.